Yes, it's mine. It's ours. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I realized recently that we are both really sensitive to sound. Actually, I have always been, but I noticed that she has, and I've been feeling so bad that I haven't been protecting her ears. So look what Mama got you. Look what Mama got you. So now you have something to protect your ears in loud places, okay? I wish we had this at the Wiggle show. I'm sorry we didn't, but we have it now. Oh yeah. Yay! Can you hear me? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, okay. Ah! Can you hear that? Ah! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah! You like it? Oh, yay! Yay! Let me see, hear it. Oh, yeah. Got my own.